The spark plug doesn't look too good, but I'm going to go ahead and clean it really good. I'll clean it out a little bit on the wire wheel, and then I'm going to put it back in. Another thing is, you can see and stuff, this is a very small spark plug from the entering of the head to the cylinder to right here. Right here is very short, very stubby. What this does is that it allows the cylinder to cool faster, since the heat has a shorter distance to go to the very top, to go to the outside and bleed off. So this plug here is used mostly for, this kind of plug will be good for cooling down this really hot, this engine that would run really hot. These power exhausts and stuff, they run really hot, but they run really fast. But they need a certain amount of lubrication. The lubrication on the oil to gas mixture helps it to cool down. And also, because it has a large, I believe it has a large, oh gosh, I forgot what it's called. A large fan in here, but it's also used as a flywheel. A flywheel fan is pretty large, and it probably shoots pretty much a good amount of air through here, and it goes that way to go ahead and cool down the fins on the cylinder, which cools down the motor, which is the cylinder to cool down. Now, come on, baby, what is on now? Sometimes I make a mistake and stuff, but usually when I make a mistake, I usually am able to go ahead and figure it out and recover from it. But, oh man, sometimes I make a real doozy. But so far I've been okay on this. Should give me the, okay, there we go. Okay, that should be good there. Let's go ahead and put in the 2 bolts here on the side. Oh, okay. Clear that yet, okay. Something is not clear here. Oh, wait, I see, okay. Okay, so we have the top bolts. There we go. Okay. Stop. Okay. That puts it on halfway. Choke. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and try and start it here. It is big and heavy. I'm already tired. Okay, so I don't know if you saw that, but it did start up for a while. It's kind of too late to do this right now. It's kind of too late to do the rest. I will have to go ahead and do it tomorrow because I don't want to wake up my neighbors and want to then kill me and stuff. But basically, she looks good, doesn't she? Okay, YouTubers. Tomorrow stuff in the morning or afternoon, I'm gonna go. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a video on starting this up, and this will end this video series on the power saw, stihl TS700 power saw. And tomorrow I will go ahead and start up, run it, go ahead and adjust it as needed, and do whatever I need to work on this guy. And that'll be it for this guy. Now I got other upcoming videos, so please be watching for those. I think there's somewhere in your for subscribing and stuff, there's an icon for subscribing and stuff. Press that, and then you'll be alerted to all my newest videos. Also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and also give me a like or give me a dislike. Doesn't matter to me. Just say something in the comments and stuff, you know, just to know that you saw this or you liked it or whatever. And I want to thank you all very much for being here with me tonight on doing this really big, huge monster power saw that I can barely lift. Anyway, gotta go.